Well, this is Jose in Wight, navigating the coast of Cedar Key. I just come from there. Had a couple of problems with my engine. Couldn't crank it up on a lee shore, trying to get out with sails along. I'm not that good yet, so I had trouble. Ended up cranking the motor and it worked. So I'm happy I'm sailing. That's a dolphin right there, row. Cute. This is a beautiful area, beautiful day. Winds are blowing about 6 knots, gusting to 10. That's what I measure with my Kestrel 1000 model. Well, I just wanted to try a little bit videos. I kind of like them. So I'm probably making 3.7, 4 knots with this wind. That's what our Garmin unit is saying. Super speedy West Wight Porter 15. This is Wight. Hole number 2045. Beautiful area. Houses on the beach. Very shallow. Full of channels. And a lot of blood that I left from my finger trying to start that darn engine. But it worked. So here I am happy.